अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस, वेलकम टू अनदर व्लॉग। हम जा रहे हैं, हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं रियान?
We are going home.
We are going for a ride with ریمبو फर्स्ट टाइम हमारे साथ राइड पे जा रहे हैं भाई। चलो।
He wanted my car back.
Yeah. इसको पकड़ लो अब।
Like this?
Yeah. He'll fall down.
Okay.
चलें भाई, आपको थोड़ी सी कनाडा की रोड दिखाते हैं। संडे को बिल्कुल ही सन्नाटा हो रहा है। There are hardly anybody because it's off for mostly people. Only for essentials.
Papa,
Janu,
there's Bluebird next to us. There's a store named Bluebird.
oh, Bluebird is a storage.
Okay.
And that's a storage.
That's a storage?
Yeah, that's a storage company, Bluebird. चलो भाई, हाईवे पे चलें। That's the highway.
That's why you can drive as much as you want.
No, there's a speed limit.
What is it?
100. 100. 100.
No, why are you driving 150?
I was just trying to show off.
Oh, you're so good at driving.
Mashallah.
Mashallah.
Because I've been driving since I was 13. Bade Papa actually taught me how to drive. Your Bade Papa? Bhaijan? My Bhaijan taught me how to drive. Yeah.
I just did that today. They said, actually I was saying that I was trying to talk in his language to make him feel happy.
So you know the language? Mashallah, nice.
Well, I don't really know his language, but
Then?
all you gotta say is just like something. That it's kind of talking in his language. So like,
That's nice.
that's talking his language. So then, just in case he gets bored of talking English, he can talk his own language.
That's very nice.
Every bird has the same language, just they sound different.
Yeah?
I think so. I'm not 100% sure. He's a
तुम्हारे बड़े मजे लगे हुए? You're going on a second ride today? Hey Baba?
yeah,
With ریان.
it's a second ride.
Yeah, you're right.
And he's so comfortable right now.
Yeah, he is. Show him outside from the window.
From the window?
Yeah, show him outside. How it is.
You see?
Yeah,
This is outside.
show him outside.
It's so huge.
Hello guys. Look what we got here. ریان. Come on. Come baby. Come on ریمبو. Come on. Come on ریمبو. Put him here. Put him here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Ajo. I'll bet her. Yeah, sit here. He's not gonna fall. Don't worry. He got his nails. Rambo, are you having fun? Are you having fun on a ride with us? Yes or no? Yes or no? Tell me. Rambo? Oh, baby. What happened? What happened? G, what's wrong? What's wrong with you? Why are you looking at me like this? Why are you looking at me like this? What's wrong with you? He's literally having so much fun in the car today with us. He's like, I want to go on rides like this quite often. Right, Rambo? Right? Are you hungry? Where are you going? Where are you going? Rambo, it's windy. It's very windy. I'll put him on a practice to come with me outside. So when we will go for free fly, he knows how the atmosphere and weather, how it is to be outside, how it feels to be outside. Home sweet home. Welcome. His name is Snow. And Nino is shouting a lot.
Actually, if it's tame, then it bites. So I guess
He doesn't bite.
But
Nino does. Because Nino is not tamed. Only Snow is tamed. I tamed him. Ajo. Ajo. Ah.
He's kind of tame from me though, because once he was shaking hands with me and then he flew. That means he's tamed. It's just he has a habit of not trying to go outside. Maybe that side doesn't want to come in our finger. He thinks if
I don't know. He's scared of camera for some reason.
Guys, please subscribe to our channel.
They didn't subscribe it yet, right?
Yeah, this is supposed to subscribe to our channel. We worked so hard.
Right. Guys, please listen to ریان. And what's your other channel, ریان?
ریان Joffrey 1.
Yeah, it's ریان Joffrey 1. I will tag his other channel in the subscription. In the caption and description. So you guys better subscribe his other channel too. He's gonna work on his other channel as well.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, I'm not gonna be uploading every vlog.
Yeah, because you have school. Everybody knows that you have school every day, so you can upload it on your weekends.
Yeah, yesterday I couldn't.
Okay, that's the shout out. That's it for today. Say bye to every of your viewer.
Bye, guys, and say bye to Rambo. He's talking to you guys.
Right, Rambo. Okay, see you guys later.
Bye.
Unusual way of sleeping.
pet him?
Yeah, pet him. Don't wake him up.
He's loving it.
Yeah, but उठ जाएगा. Let him sleep. Let him sleep. Let him sleep. Unusual way of sleeping.